Hi there, this is Randy back in the shop. Today, going to be pressing in these wrist pin bushings and these connecting rods. I got the bushings yesterday. This is the new bushing here. It's just a bronze bushing. And what you have to look out for is this edge on the edge of the connecting rod where the wrist pin bushing gets pressed in. It's like a razor. So you need to take a deburring tool like this here and scrape this off. Got to break that burr. Got to break that edge really good. If it feels sharp to your finger, it's too sharp. Because that sharp edge, when you try to press in this bushing, will be just like a razor. It'll just peel the metal right off. So I go over it first with a deburring tool, and I take a little bit of emery paper and just work it around like this here. Just enough to break that edge. You don't want it sharp. Break that edge on it like this here, so you got a nice smooth radius to where you can press the bushing in. And then I wipe out the bushing real good, wipe out the small end of the connecting rod real good. Make sure there's no grease and oil on there. Everything is nice and clean. And this little tool here I made on the lathe. The bushing sits on there just like that there. And you set the bushing on the connecting rod like so, and you just press it home. So I'll bring you over to the press and show you pressing one of these in, and I'll be right back. All right, I got you over at the press here. I'll take this installation tool, set the bushing up on the connecting rod like that there, and raise this up a little bit. Make sure that our bushing is square. Start pressing her in. Take that out. Like that there. When I get done, I'll take a little file and I'll just file this to make sure the bushing is flat, and all set to go. Be ready to hone these wrist pin bores and get these finished up. I'll be right back. All right, back over at the bench here with the connecting rod. The old bushing has holes in it that you can see here. These holes feed oil to the wrist pin, and those holes are in the connecting rod right here. And what I'll do is I'll just take a drill and I'll drill these by hand on both sides. Just drill right through the bushing, and then when I hone it, why it'll be just like it was when it was brand new. So that's all there is to that. Just takes a little bit of patience and making sure that you clean that sharp edge off, because otherwise it will just peel the brass right off when you press them in. And what I also do too is I'll take some red Loctite and I'll coat the inside of this bore here before I press the bushing in with red Loctite, and then I press it in. That way there's no chance after that is pressed in there that that bushing will ever come loose. So that's how that all works. Hope you understand a little bit more about what goes on into repairing some of this stuff. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Bye.